In this module, we will discuss the different types of statistics. Statistical methodologies are categorized into two types. The first are called descriptive statistics, and the second are inferential statistics. I personally call them as two phases, that whenever we conduct a statistical analysis, the very first thing that we perform is the descriptive statistical methodologies. And later on, we carry out inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics are those statistical methodologies which are used to organize and summarize the data. That summarization can be in a numerical form as well as graphical form. We use different methodologies within them, and these descriptive methodologies form the basis of any quantitative analyses of a data. Performing descriptive analyses is also known as exploratory data analyses that help us to explore our data and look in deep into our data. The other type of statistical methods are inferential statistical methodologies. These are the methods which we use to talk about the population from the information that comes out of the sample. The goal of performing statistical inference is pretty clear, that we already know that studying a complete population is not always possible. Therefore, we rely heavily on our samples. But not all the samples are made equal. Some samples are true representatives and some are not. Therefore, look at this process, where we have a large population, and from the population, we take up a random sample, which is representative, and then we make conclusions regarding the population from the sample, and that's what we called statistical inference. We perform statistical inference to make judgments about the population by looking at the probability that observed difference is a true difference. And it's just not the mere chance that just happened in the study. The results obtained as descriptive statistics from a sample cannot be generalized for the population until or unless we perform inferential statistical methods. Inferential statistics method give us a confidence with certain chance of error to talk about the population, which is always a major goal when we perform statistical analyses. Thank you.